lesson number 7, we're going to go over a better way to draw hands. I know hands are difficult for most people, and sometimes they can be difficult for me, but there's a way to work through it, and I'll show you how to do that in this lesson. All right, lesson number 7, a better way to draw hands. I like to approach more cartoony hands, like your typical Mickey Mouse hand, because you can work with shapes a bit better. Right? Right, so you could do like that. The character's doing a thumbs up, right? Like so. And that way you're working with a circle, right? For the palm. And just looking at my own palm here. Minus one less finger. I have a hand like that. Character's reaching for something. I always kind of treat it like a rectangle too, like so. Because the palm part is kind of like more squarish, right? Kind of like a sandwich, I guess, right? Character's reaching for something here. Keep them loose, right? It's best to just do your closed fists, right? So, right, if the character has a closed fist, he's got his dukes up here, right? If you want to see the inside of a fist, right? So along these lines, right? Now, if you're getting to more, how do you say, the life drawing model hands, where the finger are like this. Right? Well, just practice a lot of cylinders, right? Because then this way you can put a hand in perspective, right? However which way you want, right? And then the one part palm is here, and just keep it like it used to be, right? I know it looks really goofy, right? But it actually works. So even if you do a cartoon hand and you don't know how their fingers look in the distance, just keep it kind of like a cylinder. And then when they're, right, they're curving away from you. All right, so that's a better way to draw hands. Stick with cartoony hands, 4 fingers if you need. We'll go on to the next lesson here.